Solving a 3x3 system of equations. Step 1 is you have to recognize that you want to eliminate this spot, and this spot. And we're going to do that by elimination. And when we eliminate those, we're going to end up with a wedge formation which looks a lot like this. Everything in the green will be gone. You'll be left with everything in the red. The numbers will be different after our eliminations, but the shape will be the same. So what we'll do first is we'll concentrate on the top two equations where we have an x and a 2x for the beginning terms. We want to multiply the top equation by 2, so we'll have a 2x and a 2x. When we do that, we're going to subtract because we have two positive 2x's. And when we do that subtraction, we're left with y minus 7z equals negative 19. We will hold that equation and move on to the next item. Next, we'll concentrate on the bottom two equations where we have a 2x and a 3x. We want to change those into 6's, so we multiply the middle equation by 3 and the bottom equation by 2. When we do that, we have positive 6's out on the left. We will subtract. The 6's cancel out, and we're left with 19y plus 7z equals 59. So we have two red equations. We have the one from the previous slide, y minus 7z equals negative 19, and 19y plus 7z equals 59. We will replace the bottom two equations in the original system with those two red ones. And when we do that, we can start over again with the y and the 19y. We must eliminate the spot where the 19y is at. So the least common multiple between 1 and 19 is 19. We multiply the middle equation by 19. When we do that, we have a pair of 19's. We subtract, and we're left with negative 140z equals negative 420. Divide to get z equals 3. And we will put that z equals 3 in place of the third equation that you see on this screen, which is red. The 19y plus 7z equation gets replaced with z equals 3. And it will look like this. Now, z equals 3, you plug that in for z in the middle equation, the red one, and solve that to get y equals 2. So now you have z equals 3, y equals 2. Plug those two numbers into the top equation, the black one, and you'll solve for x. When you do that, x equals 1. And your final answer will be written like this: 1, 2, and 3.